Retro gaming isn't just making a comeback, it's going on chain. On 19th November, Atari Sunnyvale opens its doors in the Sandbox. Get ready to relive the golden age of arcades voxel style. Let's dive in. But before we do, I'm not a financial advisor, this isn't financial advice. Alright everyone, retro gaming isn't just back to its legendary arcade roots, and if you're like me and played in the arcade, this should get you excited. You also get an amazing battle pass, and I love the old school gameplay. I love how this looks, really cool. And here we can see experiences, the avatar shop or the cool features, and the avatar shop. What's it all about? Well, guess what? You can get Atari-themed NFTs during the launch, costumes, items, voxels, all tied to the legacy. And they can even boost EP as well. So here we can see the official sandbox right here. If you're ready for an adventure, I reckon this is one you'll really enjoy. And on top of that, we've got the marketplace. We've even got goblins. We've got the whole map right here. You can see the sandbox. Doesn't this look brilliant, guys? This is fantastic. See the sandbox, the games, the different seasons, the quests you can play. Let's go on. Let's get started. And we can just have a look around here. Look at the graphics right here. We can see land, different themes. Gaming, luxury, fashion events. It's live, so you can feel this. This is really cool, guys. Not only that, what benefits do the avatars get? You can get that EP boost. And I know you want to get that EP boost. I know you're excited to play this. Look at the graphics right here. So it even has different events. Based on the community, as you saw, there are different events around launch. We've got leaderboard challenges. We've got big things coming up for landowners. So one thing I really want to encourage you all to do with your brilliant NFTs right here. Once you get your retro-inspired avatars, you can share them on social media for EP bonuses. So that's how you can get some bonus EP. By sharing these brilliant avatars that you create, you can see the avatar collection. Look how brilliant these characters look, very much inspired by Minecraft. Just look at how fantastic that gameplay looks right there. Very cool. Alright everyone, so here it is. You can see me walking about. Sort of Minecrafty. Getting a feel for it. Having a bit of a play. Whoop, loads of people. Whoa, the Terminator. Oh no. I'm just going to go ahead and open this. A little report. Okay, what are we doing here? Talk to anyone so we can get on with it. D, enter the chat. Okay, got the inventory, NFT gallery. Quests map. This is really cool. Social. Alright, good stuff everyone. So, if you're ready to do this, you're ready for some leaderboard challenges and some amazing things. This is the one you'll want to check out. Everyone, share your retro-inspired avatars on social media for EP. And this week also features special quests with boosted EP as well. Retro collectibles are limited edition, which makes them highly valuable. You get that sense of community nostalgia. Blockchain rewards, the perfect mix. Gamer, collector, whatever you are, it's all down to you. Mark your calendars. 19th November is the day retro games go live. Step into Atari Sunnyvale and earn what thread? Claim your piece of arcade history in the sandbox. Now, let me know what you think of it down below. If you enjoyed this video, that like button, hit subscribe, tap the notification bell, and I'll see you in the next one.